How to clear the history of run command in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a handy feature of Windows 11, the run dialog box. This powerful tool allows you to quickly open applications and documents by simply typing their names or paths. Just type app name or the folder into the text box and then hit enter. It's that easy. But if you want to clear that history, in this video I'll show you how to do just that, so let's get started. First, click on the start menu and type regedit to open the registry editor. Make sure to be careful here as we are going to modify some system settings. Once the registry editor is open, navigate to the following path. Add key current user. Then you need to go to software. From the software you need to open Microsoft. Then you need to open Windows. Then you need to open current version and you need to tap on Explorer, and from the Explorer you need to open Run MRU. Here you will find a list of DWORD values named A, B, C and so on. This represents the history of your run commands. To clear the history, simply delete all these values but make sure to keep the default key intact. This will remove your run command history without affecting your system. And that's it. You have successfully cleared the history of the run command in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video.